This orchid plant uses a pot made of clay. Have you ever seen the process of making a pot?
If you haven't, let's take a look at the process of making pots for plants.
First, we prepared the clay. Second, we flatten it until it resembles a sheet that is easy to shape. Third, insert the clay sheet into the mold. Fourth, flatten another clay sheet for the bottom. Fifth, put the mold sheets together and tie them with rubber bands. Sixth, tidy up the shape and thickness of the pot. Seventh, remove the mold and let the clay pot dry. Eighth, the pot is ready to be baked. Ninth, the pot is finished and ready to be used to plant your favorite plants.